We will guide you through how to make text distortion effect in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch CapCut and open the project you want to edit. Select the text option from the top toolbar and add a new text layer or choose an existing text layer from the timeline. Enter the text you want to apply the distortion effect to, then customize the font, size, color, and placement if needed so the text matches your design. Select the text layer on the timeline to access its editing controls and open the text effects section from the text editing panel. Locate the search bar within the text effects library and type distortion into the search field to find matching presets. Browse through the available distortion effects in the search results and preview different presets to find one that matches your desired style. Look for an effect that creates the type of visual distortion you want, whether it is a subtle digital movement or a stronger glitch-like appearance. Select the distortion effect you want to use and apply it to your selected text layer. Once the effect has been applied, adjust the available effect settings to control the distortion appearance. Depending on the selected preset and your version of CapCut, make small adjustments and preview the result after each change so the distortion does not become too strong or difficult to read. Preview the text animation to see how the distortion looks together with the rest of your footage. Play the project from the beginning to review the completed effect and make sure the distorted text appears at the correct moment. Check the text position, readability, timing, and overall appearance to ensure everything works smoothly with your video. Once you are satisfied with the final text distortion effect, save your project to preserve the applied effect and all of your text adjustments.